these two apparently have had enough. Downstairs for 2 days. They say they want some upstairs action, and they're gonna shock everyone once they take the kayak party upstairs. I'm sorry, this is funny. Wait. Oh, what is y'all bitches doing? Was I the only one proud of these two? We decided to bring our ass upstairs. You are okay in the bed. That's part of the thing. Yeah. What are you doing? What on everything right there? We'll come see you in the HOH. Yeah, you. Oh, we're gonna kayak to the HOA. Right, that's hilarious. I knew I heard of it. I was like, what are they doing up here? We got tired of taking down tennis at 2 days. You know, right? I'll get the door. There we go. They live here too. You'll already get back out of here. We'll try. We can't make it pop. That's her to the right. What's that? It's like, oh, you're on here. You gotta be close. That's us how this here. This is how they've been made. That was weren't dropped yet. What's that? Trust? We just wanted to change scenery shit. Come on up. We've been down there for a couple of days. You get downstairs for 2 damn days. So you'll be popping. We'll figure out how to say what's up. Do nothing. You want your remotes? Just sitting here chilling. But get it makes sense. I have a whole lot else to do. Nothing. I'll put it the table. It looks like it is closer because my feet were never just kind of able to reach it. Yeah. Then we should get a picture with Josh in the kayak in the HOH. We had to say one picture. As soon as he got in the thing, he